Hi guys, this is gsnhome.com and I'm here with the unboxing of the Bluboo S3. It was unveiled last month in April, not even a full month from its debut, and it's a huge battery phone. It's got an 8500 mAh battery written right here. It can juice up other phones and it's quite big, possibly the heaviest phone tested at gsnhome.com, close to 300 grams, but with lots of perks. So, an interesting phone, has a dual camera, has a pretty narrow bezel screen and a very original texture of the back side, and it already feels like a piece of chocolate, a big piece of chocolate. The back side actually reminds me a bit, it's sort of a bit of a throwback from the Galaxy S5 for some reason, but with a different metal, with a different material. This time it's metal, it's not plastic like on the Galaxy S5. Nice texture, looks like a bit of an armor from the Middle Ages. The phone is priced at $169.99 on banggood.com. You can also get it from dx.com for $177. It feels like you're using a handset that has a battery, an extra battery strapped onto it. It's supposed to be made of zinc alloy combined with other materials, and it weighs 282 grams. It's an unboxing, so let's see what's inside the box. You can already tell we're getting a narrow bezel, curved corner screen. Now inside this box we have several items. Let's see what's happening here. So the usual suspects, we are getting a manual or two, screen protector, of course, couldn't live without it, and finally a case. Let's check it out. Case with cutouts. Oh, it's also a big case, flexible and rather elegant looking. Cutouts for the cameras and the flash, and also fingerprint scanner right here below it, like we saw on the Galaxy S9. A huge charger in the mix as well. AC adapter, should be able to do up to 12 volts and 2 amperes, not bad. And by the way, just so you know, this phone does not come with an audio jack. Nope. And nope, no audio jack here, so we're going to have to rely on USB Type-C for everything. This is the USB Type-C cable, and you're also getting a huge amount of adapters. Here we go. Let's take everything one by one. This is the metal key used to access the slots. This is a dongle, USB Type-C to 3.5 millimeters for the headphones, and this is actually a multifunctional accessory. Let's open it up. The baggie, let's see what's inside. I feel like it's Christmas. I haven't seen so many accessories that come with a phone in a long while. First of all, an adapter, USB Type-C to full USB, USB OTG, and this is used to juice up other phones. We have here micro USB, USB Type-C, and even Lightning, so you can use your handset to power up even iPhones. How crazy is that? Okay, so these are the things available in the box. You may have noticed there are no headphones, but everybody's got them nowadays. Dual back camera, dual tone flash. Let's fire up the phone and see what it's all about. Oddly enough, the power button is on the left side, not the right side. But here we go. Bluboo. We've tested quite a few Bluboo phones. Bluboo S8, Bluboo S8 Plus, Bluboo S1, so we're familiar with the brand. This is the Bluboo S3 6-inch smartphone, actually a phablet. Quite beefy, Full HD plus resolution, a sharp screen, and when I say sharp, it's the maker of the display. Also an octa-core CPU. The octa-core chip is the MediaTek NT6750T, clocked to 1.5 GHz, accompanied by 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, and micro SD. The phone is available in either black or gold. Obviously we have the gold version, and it measures 11.6 millimeters in thickness, while also weighing a crazy 282 grams. Setup as new. Okay, continue. Next. And we're waiting on it. As far as I know, it debuted with Android Nougat and it got Oreo really fast. We may even have it with Oreo. I'm going to look into that and see if we can find it. Oh, by the way, pretty nice wallpaper we're using here. Other things we're mentioning, well, 8500 mAh battery, 12 volt 2 ampere fast charge, Face ID, face unlocking, that's nice. And the back camera, let's see. So it's a combo of 21 megapixel and also 5 megapixel Samsung sensors, dual tone flash, and at the front 13 megapixel for the selfies. And once again made of zinc and other metals combined together. Dual nano SIM card slot, also supporting micro SD because it's a hybrid slot. Other things, well, I promised you that I'm going to have a look quickly here. So it's Android Nougat 4 now, but Bluboo promised to jump straight to Android 8.1 Oreo if possible. We also have things like VO LTE, also NFC and Wi-Fi, and I see that the experience is quite stock. They haven't tweaked it, which is a good thing. It's got Bluetooth 4.0, it's got NFC, it's got Wi-Fi, and I'm pretty curious if they tweaked or not the camera interface. They seem to have left it pretty clean. This option is possibly the bokeh one. We have a picture in picture. Okay, we have panorama, we have the normal one, and a bunch more features and settings: face beauty, scene mode, white balance, and so forth. Zero shutter delay, video quality. As far as I know, you can shoot up to full HD, but I'm prepared to be surprised by 4K, maybe not, in the full review. So this has been the first contact and unboxing of the Bluboo S3, a clear power bank phone, battery phone, whatever you want to call it. It's huge, but also very useful. If you're going on a trip with multiple phones, you can charge them all up with this special adapter. So basically, this is your battery power bank phone, the biggest battery phone we've ever tested, like ever in our history. So we're excited about it. We'll be back with a full review very soon. This is it from us. Bye bye. Bluboo S3 costs $177 on dx.com and also $169.99 on banggood.com. Bye bye.